Hi guys, we're back in the High Gatsby studio and we have had such a great time learning more and more and more about Mr. Eric Carle, the great author and illustrator, and doing some artwork like he did. It was so much fun the last time we got together to paint on tissue paper and even paint on printer paper. Here's some of the ones that we did together last time. So they have dried, thank goodness. So now it's time to start creating our creatures. I'm looking forward to having you join me back over at the art table. Let's get some scissors after these things and see what we can create. Come on and join me. Okay, so the last time we were here, we got to paint on our paper like Eric Carle. We did some on tissue like this, and it's nice and dry now. And then we did some on just regular printer paper. We did all kinds of textures and design. I used a sponge on this one. I used the end of my paintbrush on this one. On this one, I flicked my toothbrush. And I meant to tell you, don't use your regular toothbrush. That's gross. Use an old toothbrush. That would be much better. But I flicked my toothbrush and got all kinds of little speckles here. So these are my colored pieces of paper that I'm going to make some creatures out of. So what I did ahead of time is I drew out a fish and I drew out this bear. And I cut out the pieces of each little animal. And so these are kind of like my stencils or my templates for this.